Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine. So today we are going to study the Python based project known as Zodiac Sign. As we all know, this sign is based upon our birth date. Now, let's make this project with the help of Python programming language. So what do we need? We need the Tkinter module because without the help of the Tkinter module, we are not able to make a graphical user interface. Now, how our interface will look like? Now, first of all, we need to enter a day, that is the numeric value. Then afterwards, we need to select a month with the drop down. Then there is a button which you have to click to get your Zodiac sign in the text field. Okay. Now let's make this project. Okay, first of all, I'm going to import Tkinter. Then make an interface with the help of the root variable. Now provide the size to an interface with the help of a geometry method. Provide the title. Provide the background color with the help of config. Now let's make label first. L1 is a variable. Label. Pass the instance of interface, that is root. Text equal to enter day, only the numeric value. Now let's add in the interface with the help of the back method. Now let's make a text variable named as input text. Pass the instance, comma, the height, the width. Let's add the background color. Then provide the padding from X and Y axis. Then let's add it. Then let's make a drop down. Pass an instance. We are making a drop down list for all the months. Let's make a variable there. Let's one by one add all the months. Now let's declare that variable. Now let's set the variable. Select month. Now let's add the variable of drop down list. This is drop 1 with the help of a back method. Expand equal to true. What is expand equal to true? It means it fits itself according to the size of the interface. Now let's make a function of Zodiac sign. First of all, we are going to take a day. It is in a string variable. So first of all, we are going to convert it into int. That is input text dot get. I'm adding here a positional arguments. So 1.0 means we are taking the whole value till end. Okay, now let's have the month from menu 1 dot get. Now if anyone types the number greater than 31 and anyone types a number less than 1, so it is an error which should be settled. So now let's set this error with the help of the if statement. So if day is greater than 31 or day is less than 1, so all the data which is in the text field should be deleted and a message is displayed on the screen that there is an error. Enter a valid day. Now in the else, we're going to make conditions for different months. The month is December. We have to specify the particular zodiac sign. If day is less than 22, else Capricorn. Again, elif if month January, then the astro sign equal to Capricorn. If day is less than 20, else Aquarius. Now I have added for all the months. Now we need to store the result in a particular text field. So now let's make a text field. For storing the output. Root. Let's specify the height, comma width equal to 20. Background color, that is light green. Provide the padding from X and Y axis. Now let's add with the help of back method. Now here we need to add the astro sign value inside the output. We need to set. So now let's set the value. Output dot insert the positional argument first, then the variable name, that is astro sign. Okay. Now first of all we need a button also, right? After the click of the button, this whole function executes. So let's make a button. B1 equal to button, pass the root, comma, height equal to 1, comma, width equal to 20, padding through x-axis equal to 10, from y-axis equal to 10, then the command, that is equal to the name of the function. The name of the function is Zodiac Sign. Okay, what should be the text? That is click here. It's background color white. Now let's add this button with the help of the back method. Okay, now we have written the whole code, but don't miss this line to execute it, that is root.main loop. Without it, you are not able to run this project. Now let's run this project. Okay, this is the interface we have. First of all, we need to add the value, for example 12. So I'm selecting here the month December. Now I'm going to click here. See, after click here, you will get the Zodiac sign of that particular day and month. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you very much.